me just start by saying this is not the first time that I've made this key. This is my second time attempting at it. The first one, there's like a key ring that's kind of free floating around the end of the key. And the first one I made didn't have that. So in this one, I decided to pour it in two separate parts, and then I'm gonna JB weld them together and see if I can make that look as good and as authentic as the actual one. Actually, let me show you the first key. So here's the first one I made. So this is the part I'm talking about. It's missing this little thing that goes inside of here. So to actually try and pour that in one pour, the method that I'm using, the sand, I don't think it would hold up very well. So I did it in two separate parts, like I said. The first one came out pretty well. So I'm hoping the second key comes out pretty well. It's a little bit smaller. It's probably not much smaller than this one. So this is actually the stand for it, and then this part's the key, and this part is the little key ring, I'm gonna call it. So let's see how they came out. All right, so here it is, all done. All right, so to be honest, the whole reason I made this video and this key again was because somebody kind of alluded to the fact that I bought this and then was trying to resell it. You know what? I think I'm gonna give this one away. So if you want this key, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will pick somebody from the comments who is subscribed to win this key. So make sure you like and subscribe below, make a comment, and yeah, let's give this thing away.